welcome to Beach Shots with Greta. Today is show number 4. It's been really rainy in Rox's videos recently. It's also raining here as well. But Rox says she still appreciates it. She says ideally she'd wish it was really sunny so we could all see how beautiful Hawaii is. But she wants to make the point that in her eyes it's beautiful in whatever weather. I kind of understand that. I always think beaches are just as nice when they're kind of gloomy and cloudy. I love grey beaches, maybe better than sunny beaches. I think they've got more character and it's more fun to go to. But, and then Rox tries to tell people that she wants her videos to be really raw and real, so she doesn't bother trying to fake what her appearance looks like or do herself up. And I dig that. I think she's doing a good thing, but don't think it matters either, really. Either way, if she wanted to do her hair, then that's also fine. I never really bother with makeup unless I'm properly going out, but you know, me and Rox, we're similar in that way. We like rainy beaches and we don't bother doing our hair, and that's fine. So I feel like me and Rox made a connection on that video. And yeah, that was beach walk number 4. Give Rox a call on the conch line, leave her a message, she wants to put it in the videos. And we'll see you tomorrow. Aloha!